name is Joy Reynolds from Meditation for the Soul, a haven to experience less stress and more peace. And I will guide you on a peaceful journey to release your worries that no longer serve you. I invite you to get ready to relax your body and your mind. Settle into a comfortable position and begin to turn your attention inward. You may close down the eyes. Notice how you're feeling right now, mentally, physically, without trying to change anything. Simply take note of how your body feels and notice how you're feeling mentally. Mentally scan your body now, looking for areas of tension. Where is your body the most tense? Notice now where your body is most relaxed. See that these areas of relaxation are slowly getting larger. Now turn your awareness to your breathing. Simply notice your breathing without making any effort to change your breathing in any way. Imagine breathing in relaxation and breathing out tension. Feel yourself becoming more relaxed with each breath. Focus in on the areas of tension in your body and imagine directing your breath to these areas. Feel the breath in, drawing in relaxation. And as you exhale, imagine the tension draining away from each area of tension. Allow your breathing to relax your body. Feel your body and mind becoming relaxed, calm, peaceful, deeply relaxed and calm. As you relax here right now, imagine or get a sense or feeling that you're walking along a secluded beach. This is a beautiful scene. The sun is shining and the temperature is the perfect temperature for you. The waves are gently lapping at the shore as you walk along the water's edge. You feel a light breeze on your face. You are the only person here, no one to bother you, no one to answer to. This is your special beach. and an opportunity for you to just relax and spend time to reflect and release anything that no longer serves you. You notice up ahead you see a long piece of driftwood, just the right size to write things on the sand. Pick up the driftwood and take some time here to reflect on any worries you've had that have been spending too much time in your mind. Those niggly feelings, thoughts, fears, doubts that serve no purpose other than creating anxiety or irritation for you. These are the thoughts that keep turning up without an invitation. It's time now to write these worries in the sand. They could be written as just one word or more than one word. You know what they are. You can write down as much as you like. Write them in the sand at the water's edge now. Imagine you are the bouncer at an event that has concluded, but some people are still hanging around, and you now must direct these people to leave the venue with a firm but kind way. It is time to be the bouncer in your mind. Sit back on the soft sand on the beach now and look at all the words you have written, and give yourself permission to tell them it's time to leave. Say in your mind, it's time to leave. It's time to let these words and worries go for good right now. As you watch the water lapping to the shore, and as you are saying in your mind, it is time to leave, you notice the incoming tide is coming into the shore and washing over all the words you have written on the sand. As you continue to watch, you may notice some of the words have not completely been washed away. Just reflect here on what is left in the sand, and say again in your mind, it is time to leave now. As you relax here on the beach, you see another gentle wave coming into the shore, and it washes over the remaining words, taking them back out into the ocean. All your worries, irritations, niggles have left the venue in your mind. Just breathe in and breathe out. As you sit here relaxing on the beach, you notice the clear, calm waves coming in and going out, gently and rhythmically, in sync with your breathing. Notice how you feel clear and calm, just like the waves. You are the bouncer of your mind, and you can ask any uninvited thoughts, feelings, fears, doubts to leave at any time. Relax in the calmness and clarity here for a moment. Begin to bring yourself back into the room and bring with you all the clarity and calm as you gently open your eyes.